Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today we have a Behringer Studio L monitor controller and audio interface. Well, this one has been having intermittent switching problems with my monitors. So today we're gonna figure out what's going on and see if we can fix it. Over the years, but this happened. See, it's like cutting in and out. I can't have that. See? So that's not good. We're gonna fix that. It seems like we have a dirty switch. That is completely normal with these devices. They often get dirt on into the mechanisms itself and preventing from contacting the metal to metal. It's a relatively simple process, but I do need to get in there and spray contact cleaner into the physical switch. So let's get to it. We're taking all these. We're gonna get all the knobs and screws off the front faceplate. Oh yeah. After that, just pull the big knob and it should pop off just like that. Give it a little brush. Unscrew that nut and get that washer off. Get that 4 screws on the back that is holding onto the front plate. Okay, so we want to slide and lift. Interesting. As you can see here, there are 3 ribbon cables attached to the device. For this one, you just want to pry the tabs open. And there we go. Oops. The next one, you want to pull the gray tabs up to release the hold on the ribbon cable. Ah, fuck. Yeah, don't do that. Remove the back screws on the device. And that should just pop out like this. Okay, so now let's examine the switches. And they're covered by this white cover, so you can pull that off just squeezing the 2 pin tabs right there. I am using this electrical contact cleaner from Canadian Tire. So now you want to get as close as you can to an opening of the electrical switch in order to pour the solution into the switch so that the solution can clean the contacts. And afterwards you want to work the switch a little bit to get the solution all over the place so we can clean. Now I'm going to do all of them to do some preventative maintenance. Might just well do this and never have to do it again for a while. Yeah, don't worry about overspraying. It's non-conductive and will evaporate very quickly. This way we can make sure the cleaner gets inside the mechanical switch and actually cleans the debris inside of it. And repeat the process for all of the switches. And And just like before, we make sure the liquid gets into the switch itself and work the switch a bunch of times to make sure it's properly cleaned. And give it a little circuit board love, brushing. And everything clips back on. Now we're going to screw the circuit board back onto the top plate. Now we put the ribbon cables back on. So make sure the tabs are pulled out and we insert a ribbon cable. Just like that, and we press in the brown tabs on the corner of the connector. And do that with the other ribbon cable. Now the third one should just snap like that. There. Now I'm not gonna put it back together just yet, just one screw to keep it close. I'm gonna put that nut back on for safety. So we're gonna take this to test before I fully commit. So let's look up and see what. Okay, no cutting in and out, no scratching noises. Moving the, testing the mono, getting the mute, testing everything. At this point, I'm pretty confident that it's working fully, so we can put everything back together. Wow. Oops. Okay, now it's the final test after everything is fully assembled or hooked back together. And let's do another music test. Alright, everything is working. I am 100% satisfied with the result. Okay, that's another successful repair, and thank you for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.